Hello everyone! Mega love shout out! Babati po muna ako sa inyong lahat at bago ko batiin ang aking inaanak na si Jessie. Good evening, good afternoon, or good morning kung saan man po kayong bansa naroon. Ayan. And Jessie, it's a surprise greetings. Happy birthday to you. More blessings, more birthdays, more good health, and more happiness sa inyong dalawa ni Jean. Ayan. And happy si Ninang at isa ako sa hiningan ng iyong mahal na si Jean na surprise greetings para sa iyo. Ayan, I'm so happy. And I want to say thank you so much sa paggawa mo ng ating thumbnail. Ayan, napakaganda ng thumbnail natin, Jessie. Ang daming humahanga. And hanga rin ako sa iyo sa paggawa mo ng thumbnail. And I really appreciate it. Ayan, and good luck sa iyong computer shop. Ayan, wish ko na maging maganda ang iyong business. Ayan. And always pray. So para kung may pinagdaraanan man kayo, is maging matatag ang kalooban ninyong dalawa. Okay? And dito lang si Ninang. Pag gusto niyo ng advice, is PM nyo lang ako. Okay? Iyon. So, hindi ko na masyadong kakahabaan. Thank you so much, guys. And my channel is Benechan Channel. And please support my channel if kung Bikini Man. Bikini Man, okay? So guys, bye. Bye to all. God bless us all. And happy birthday again, my inaanak, Jessie. Bye. Thank you so much. Jane. Bye-bye. Matane.